your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair. Make a home